What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject the SIM card on the Note 10. And just for a heads up, for those of you that have the Note 10 and not the Note 10 Plus, that you do not have the option of adding a SD memory card. So that's just for the Plus version, adding external memory. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject just the SD card. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, if you have your original box, you can go ahead and pull out the reading material, and on the back side there should be a hole similar to this one with a SIM eject tool, which should look something similar to this. And once you have it, you can also, if you don't, let's say you don't have it, you can use something like a pin, a needle, the unwound portion of a paper clip, anything like that. And what we're going to be looking for is on the top of the device, we will be looking for the tray, which looks similar to that. There is also a hole on the tray. We're going to go take that SIM eject tool or the pin or the needle, whatever you're using, and just stick it in the hole and apply some pressure. And just like that, it should pop up. So one more time, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it. Insert the pin into the hole, apply some pressure, and just like that, it pops out. And if you have the if you have the Note 10 Plus, you will have a cutout for a SD card. For this one, all we have is the SIM card. So we're gonna go ahead and take our SIM card, and as you guys can see on just the lineup, the way it's cut, there's a beveled edge over here. So then there's a beveled edge on the SIM card. There's only one way for it to go in, which is just like that. So once we have that set, very carefully, we're gonna go ahead and replace it back into the device, making sure to line up the hole off the SIM tray with the hole that is there on the device. Once that's in place, just go ahead, apply some pressure, and slide it in. And just like that, I have now successfully installed the SIM card into the Note 10. So if you guys wanted to take out the SIM card, same thing. We're gonna go ahead and look for our SIM eject tool. Once we have it, stick it in the hole on the top, apply some pressure, it pops out. Go ahead and slide it out. Be very careful with it. It is a plastic piece, it could break. And there's also a ring around the outside to give it a watertight fit. You don't want to be pulling it in and out too much, because you could damage that and reduce the amount, the strength of that water resistant feature. So just like that, a quick tutorial on how to insert and eject the SIM card on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all you got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.